You are watching Beyond the News. Like, comment, and subscribe.
We really want to understand the impact of Chinese investment and these new kind of innovative construction methods hitting the island.
Right. Our mission, if you like, is to figure out how this affects local construction companies, the private contractors.
And get why regular citizens seem pretty excited about it all.
And tackle that sort of elephant in the room question about broader influence in the sector.
Okay, let's dig in. Where do we start?
Well, what immediately jumps out is the rise of prefabricated housing. It's becoming a really significant factor.
Good size.
Yeah, about.
That's fine. Oh.
This one is like 8.6 million Jamaican dollar.
8.6.
Yeah, for landing here. Right.
Oh, so is it that it comes here and then we'll have to pick it up from here and carry it to wherever, or you drop it exact spot?
If you want it to be your location, it will cost like the transportation. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So extra transport.
Yeah, right. That is a shoe cover.
Cover shouldn't be.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
Oh. So it's 8.6 mil?
8.6.
8.6 mil.
Right.
Alright, so probably roughly 9, call it 9, because depending on transportation and stuff.
The price for the cabin itself is expensive. It's just like let me show you.
Shipping.
Yes, 35,000 US. Yeah, just for the cabin. Yeah. But shipping, customer clearance, will be expensive. Right.
And this is the base design?
Yeah.
Okay, right. What if you want to customize it? You'll have to...
depends on what you want. Yeah, it depends on what you want.
Okay, understand.
Well, that's the same thing?
Yeah, same thing, just smaller than this.
Oh, okay.
I can show you the other two.
Alright, okay. This is what, 1 bedroom?
This is 2 bedroom.
2 bedroom?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, 2, right.
Oh.
So this is one. That would have been because I'm saying that's like a sitting room now. That's in my head. Unless you could use
sitting room if you want. Yeah.
So what kind of material?
Aluminum pipe.
Aluminum.
Yeah, and all the glass are double layer, so it's strong enough.
Oh, so it's strong enough to, we live in a tropical.
Yeah, I know. Hurricane. I think it can withstand the hurricane. Yeah.
Up to category 5 or
maybe,
more.
I'm not sure, but
yeah. Okay.
Yeah, push it. Yeah, you can push.
And then push that one there, Alison, to push that one there out. Get that one there out and push it. Instead of this. So lift it up and push. Yeah.
Push.
Oh, and then.
Yeah, the breeze feel nice. See?
Have the mesh.
Yeah.
So you can close it up.
Oh.
So at least you can get in there.
Right, nice.
These are mesh too.
Yeah. See, the pull is like a blind right across.
Nice.
Yep. So you have any in I'm seeing some online that are smart, like
Oh yeah, it also has a voice control. I can
what, this one?
Yeah, everyone.
Okay.
These two has a little power issues. I can show you.
And find out
the
one.
wrong one. Yeah.
Okay, alright, no problem. call it? Capsule?
Yeah, like capsule.
Okay, so this is what, one bedroom.
Yeah, like a studio. Yeah. 你好，父母。打开天窗。打开天窗。正在打开天窗。关闭氛围灯。打开氛围灯。氛围灯打开。
Oh.
It also supports English.
English. Oh. And I'm saying I might have to go learn Mandarin.
No. It also supports English.
This also look nice, not nice.
Whoa. Mm-hmm.
So this one is priced at
Same like that one.
Same?
Yeah,
Okay.
basically for landing it's like about 8 million. But
Oh,
you
eight-
less than 8 million.
8 mil.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Mm.
关闭天窗。你好，木木。关闭天窗。
Oh, so you're telling it to close back, yeah?
Right.
Okay. I would have if I'm going to compare the prices, I think
Yeah, you will choose right. It's
Yeah.
not too very good. Yes. 关闭氛围灯。
and this is what the bathroom.
Yeah, bathroom.
Oh.
Toilet.
Mm-hmm.
Also a light here. This is the bathroom. Let me open.
Okay, so this the design still maintain the capsule look, yeah. Yeah. Eater, water eater. Oh, closet right this too?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, so that's the breaker system.
Yeah, like box support. Oh.
So if we are interested, or if someone is interested in something like this, how do they reach, or what do they do in terms of steps?
You just you can contact me and place the order, and we can get it. Maybe like you can pay half.
Okay, so if it,
When it comes, you pay the rest.
rest.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And do you guys accept NHG? Well, I don't think NHG. Well, I don't know. I don't think NHG will probably root through this thing, but any
I'm not sure yet.
any financial institution?
When you are ready to place the order, you can talk with the boss about it.
Okay. All right, no problem. Thank you. So you have a card to give us or anything
You
like
can
that?
see my number. Just see my number. My boss is not here now. Yeah.
Oh,
you can
okay.
See my number.
All right, let me do that.
And you can also check our company's website. We are a construction company. Yes.
CICC.
Right. Okay, this is my number.
476
Kevin. Yeah, my name is Kevin Chen. Yeah.
Kevin Chin?
Yeah, CHEN.
Okay. Mr. Chin. Chen or Chin? Chin?
CHEN. Yeah.
E-N? Okay. Chen. Okay. All right, thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Redney. Redney TV too.
Oh, this one is too cheap, so it comes with a TV. But the rest of the three comes with a projector and a screen.
Oh, okay. Okay, so then you put on the TV.
Well, I can show you the first one.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're gentle and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh.
你好，木木。
在的，
打开所有灯光，
射灯已打开，
打开氛围灯，
氛围灯已打开，
关闭窗帘。
正在关闭窗帘。
Okay. No, that's outside. Also, this would have been nice to have another one put side of this so you can just open and go in. Yeah.
Can we use the family?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
我先退下了。
关闭窗帘。你好，木木。
在的，
打开窗帘。
This would have been like a studio unit, Alison.
Yes, studio, right.
Will these stand open?
And let me show you. You can open.
These open?
Oh, it can be opened, but this one it closed.
Yeah, just for yeah,
Because
because
there's
it's model.
AC unit here.
Oh, okay.
But you can also put the AC unit outside.
Yeah.
And this is more than just a light, also a fan with also the blade. Yeah, I can show you.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
You see? I feel the one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, interesting. First, I'm seeing one like that.
And this is the screen for the projector. And later we will install the screen.
Oh,
It is
okay,
not
okay.
finished yet.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah,
projector,
understand.
Sorry, projector. Yeah.
The projector would have been right here.
Yeah, right. Be here, right.
Yeah.
So you can watch some movies.
You know what this have been? This could have used as a studio. I mean, not about all studio, you know, but photography studio.
Yes, of course.
Yeah. So this is same 8.
This is the cheapest one, like 7.5.
7.5.
Yeah, because this is the smallest one, right?
Oh, okay. Well, that makes sense. We'll probably just take something like all this and convert it or something.
Everyone
this light.
and it comes with AC. Yeah.
AC, yeah.
Right.
Every one of them
Yeah.
to the AC. This is
Try some lights and drop up. So let's get the foundation ready and just drop it on.
bathroom.
Yeah.
You don't need is like a little
What?
kitchenette like
Kitchenette, yeah. This could have probably convert.
small office.
Yeah, see, what about bathroom big?
Oh, there's also a light. You can press the button on the mirror. Yeah. See? And that's for dimers.
And this is a water heater system, right?
Yeah, water heater.
Oh, but the bathroom big one. Yep. You can partition too, yes? Yeah, just take out that door there. I'll make the door stay. Respect?
Yes. Okay,
Yeah, man.
We can keep in touch.
Yeah, man. So what I will do, I'll show it to you as well as I'll be posting this. So hopefully
Okay, no
you get
problem.
some.
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
I will send them.
What the girl them used to love farmer man, educated man. No badness them run down. We are changing order. Let go the badness thing here now. The girl them fill up farmer man, educated man, not a gun man. Them used to want the real hard worker. Money in a hand, yeah, the plan proper. Now a bad man, them a run down, but me tell them to stop run around. If farmer man I get you crown, me say for turn